All right, so like I said, no matter the views that we get on these videos, I'm going to give you guys a daily update of exactly how my daily crypto account is looking. Yesterday, we were at a decent spot. Obviously, we skipped from 500 to $5,000 because, we made that much money within a few months. But we started this account with $500, and yesterday we were at 5,500 or so, 5,600. I have to check the sheet again. But we were at the 5,000 mark, right? Looking at a 10x growth in my balance from leverage trading. And today is a little bit different, right? We're seeing some positivity in the market, which means that my positions are obviously running because I have a lot of different positions in the market that are for a little bit of the long term, a little bit of the short term, taking profit in the short term, all that stuff. So if you guys could make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out the link for BTCC, which is the platform that I am using, in this video, feel free to check out, or in all of these videos, feel free to check it out. The link will be at the top of the description. That platform, it allows you to trade all the way up to a 500x leverage. Also, you can get a 10% deposit bonus if you specifically use my link. You'll also get extra bonuses up to $10,055, 40% lower trading fees, and you can trade up to, you can trade 300 plus cryptocurrencies, no VPN, no KYC that is required. Also, for the people that sign up in the next couple of days, if you sign up, deposit, and trade, you'll be entered to win a giveaway of $500, 500 USDT, $1,500 split between three people. So three winners within this. And I'm going to tell you, the last time we had a giveaway, there was only 7 people that signed up, or I think it was 9 total. I can't remember the exact number, but it was a low number, right? It was less than 10, and you had a chance to win 250 USDT. Now you have 500 USDT. It's a no-brainer. It's free money, as well as this free money, which is 100 USDT coupons issued the next business day. So check it out. Link is down there. I have nothing but good things to say about them. I've been using them for a year. So, speaking of BTCC, right, or you know what? Let's go to the market. The market is looking pretty good, right? If we look at everything in the market, Bitcoin is up by about 1%. Ethereum's up by 4.8%. Look at altcoin season. It's getting closer and closer to that level. XRP up 4%, up 2% for Solana, 4% for BNB, 14% for Dogecoin, as you see with the ETF that is, circulating, the news that's circulating. A lot of other things, a lot of other altcoins that are up quite a bit, way more than what you're seeing Bitcoin up. So altcoin season is looking better and better as we move along. So with that being said, and seeing altcoins that are moving, majority of what I'm invested into is altcoins. So if we go over to BTCC, first, I decided to make another investment yesterday. I bought Litecoin at a 5x leverage, and I spent $326, which is what I had left in reserve that was over there. That was free to be able to trade. But you can see that a lot of things that I have are now positive, right? Especially the plays that I bought recently. LTC is up to $120. VET is up to $2 2.5, 2.6 cents. Quant is up to 104 cent, $104. Algo is up to 25 cents, 25 cents for H bar, $205 for OKB. Terra Luna Classic is 0.00061, up $172 or 67%. ADA is up to 94 cents. Actually, let's refresh that. I think it might be a little bit higher if I'm not mistaken. Maybe I am mistaken. But it's definitely up a lot higher. ADA, let's see, maybe it's not. 94 or 95 cents. It's up 71% or $732. I'm still down on auction as well as comp, but I am up on the other three positions: CAS, AVAX, and Jasmy Coin. This is what leverage trading gets you. Right? Leverage trading gets you the ability to invest less money with taking on a little bit more risk, but then um, being able to manage that risk the right way and learning how to manage that risk gets you more and more money, right? If I invest $100 into the crypto market and, ADA grows by, I don't know, 4%, I may only gain, $4 out of that, right? But if I did $100 at a 10x leverage, right? Now I have $1,000, which means that I'm gaining, 100 or gaining $40 out of it, right? Which is a little bit more than looking at $4, right? You're gaining 10x what you would have gained if you put in $100, right? Now you have to understand and take the gambling mindset out of it and more of an investing mindset. What do you believe the lowest point is going to get to, right? If that lowest point is going to be half of it, then you only want to do a 2x leverage, which means you have a little bit higher of a dollar amount. I started with $500 in this account, meaning that my investments were like $50, $100, and I was doing, very standard ones. I was doing like a 2x or 3x. Then when I got a little bit of profit, I then started to do a 10x when I saw the opportunity. I did 3 10x's at that opportunity, made over $2,000 from it, then was able to put that money into other plays that we have there, at which I'm gaining more as we move along. So right now my balance for BTCC sits at $6,627.43. It's going to continue to change because the crypto market does not stop moving. That's one thing that I love about crypto, is that it does not stop moving. Now I did create a basic spreadsheet just to kind of track what I'm up and what I'm down over the last day, and over a longer period of time I'll probably add more and more to it, but very basic looking. We have all of the days. Today is day 2 and I am at $6,658, which I'm up $1,014.63. So that is a gain of 18% in the last day. So because I have leverage trading involved in it, while I could have just had, standard gains, I could have just had, I don't know, 4%, 3%, whatever the gains are in the average position out there in the market. I have an average, or I have a total amount of 18% of my total balance. And that's because of the leverage trading that's there. That's because of the 2x leverage. That's because of the 3x leverage. The 10x leverages, again, they come with a lot more risk, which means I risk a lot more money, or a lot less money. But with a lesser risk, I risk a lot more money, right? So let me know what you think about this portfolio. Has it grown a lot in the last 2 days? Because I think it has. 18% is amazing. I wish I can gain that in the stock market every single day. That would be phenomenal. But it'll have its ups and downs. I'll be able to invest some more and make another investment today if I find an opportunity. Everything seems to be up, so I don't know if I will. Especially when we talk about altcoins, a lot of things are moving, but it's getting there to altcoin season, and I'm excited. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you check out my link for BTCC down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.